Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas, day number 872. I had a rough night. I don't know. It was one of those nights where I just could not fall asleep, stay asleep. And like when I got up every time in the middle of the night, it took me like 20 minutes to go back to sleep. So I'm starting my day off by coloring because I got my Crazy Plant Guy coloring book in the mail yesterday. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to have some tea. I'm going to color a page because I have to clean my shelves and just mentally, I'm not ready for it. So I just want to like zen out and color for a little bit. So that's what I'm doing. So I think I'm done. It's Monstero Elbow Borgiana. And this is obviously like variegation. So I think I'll go in like a little later and color a little bit more of the variegation there. But let's just clean some shelves. It's the worst. I have not cleaned my shelves since I set up my grow lights. So after you're done watching this video, you can go look at when I posted that video, do the math. It's embarrassing. Let's go. I need to clean all of my shelves. There's over 100 plants on these shelves. Oh, easy peasy. Yeah, so now I have to clean all of these shelves, and we've had some casualties happen here, but that's okay. So I clean my glass shelves with vinegar and water. It's just like a mix, 50-50. I'm probably using too much vinegar, but it really gets them clean without elbow grease. So I'm gonna do that now, and then we're gonna reset this whole shelf up. You want to make sure that you wipe your shelves down until they're completely dry, because if you don't wipe the vinegar off completely, it will streak. Little tip. I am going to put all of my cactus and euphorbia, I'm going to try, on the top shelf, like all the way across. I tried that before, but some other ones kind of weaseled their way in there. So I'm going to get started on that first. So when you're styling with plants, you want to have the taller planters be in the back because they're taller, and then the other ones in the front. See, someone called me out in a past video that I did, and they were like, you're blocking the sun from the window for the little ones that are going to be in front. But now I got grow lights. The light in this kitchen is tragic, so I apologize. What do you guys think? I don't know if I love it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, so the next shelf is gonna be my hoya. I'm gonna try to put as many hoya on that shelf as possible. I find when I keep certain genus together, I don't know, like watering routines and such, it makes it a little bit easier for me, even though I have some in soil and some in leca. But I don't know, I'm gonna do it. So let's do that. Okay, the hoya are on the shelf, and I have more hoya than I thought I had. I cannot believe that I filled 2 complete shelves with hoya, which is insane. So the last shelf, I think I'm just gonna just kind of fill in the rest. I have some philodendron, some alocasia, some donkey tail, so just fill her in. I don't know why every time I go to clean my plant shelves, I feel like I'm not gonna be able to fit everything back on there when I just took everything off of there. Doesn't make sense, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. I'm happy where I have everything placed. The bottom shelf looks really nice. It's mostly my leafier plants, which I absolutely love. And now I'm realizing I have to go through and just kind of flush some and water some, so I'm gonna do that off camera. But overall, I'm really happy with how this turned out.